following program is in described video for the visually impaired. It is also suggested that you listen to it under the influence of heavy drugs. Thank you.
Welcome back, beards and beardettes. Been a whole minute, hasn't it? Yeah. Well, just want to let you know that we're going to have a little format change up coming up pretty soon. I'm going to be focusing a lot, like a whole lot, on Broke Boy Tech. Specifically on Broke Boy Tech. And like the brokest of Broke Boy Techs. Trying to start this hobby with little to nothing. I'm talking about not needing a pressure cooker or an FFU or anything like that, and still being able to get stuff done. Where I'm still going to be making my old man rant videos, still going to be doing some unboxing and reviews of products, still going to be doing those kinds of things. But I've noticed that most people don't really center on the Broke Boy Tech stuff. That they're making videos of a lot of the latest and greatest kind of stuff, but there's very little out there on oven pasteurization, steam sterilization, using alcohol lamps, like homemade alcohol lamps. I call them hobo lamps. All kinds of stuff like that. There is actually quite a bit of those techs that seem to kind of be like a thing of the past, kind of like forgotten techs. Shit, I might even call it forgotten techs. I'm not really sure. It kind of came to me recently, and that's what I want to focus on, and that's what I'm going to do for a whole minute. So probably for at least the next year or so, the majority of my videos that aren't unboxing and reviews and old man rants are going to be this forgotten techs. So for those of you just getting started, buckle in, because this is going to be the way to do it on the cheap, like as cheap as you can possibly do it and still have some pretty decent results. So stay tuned. And until then, stay safe out there and happy cultivating.